Hi everyone, welcome to another Cabinet Vision Guy tech tip. In this short tech tip, we're going to take a look at how we can save multiples of the same assembly away with slightly different sizes using Alias Assemblies. So what we might want to do is save away our assembly that we've got on screen at the moment. We might want to save it away, currently it's 600 wide, but we might want to save it in say 650, 700, 750 and so on and so forth. So to do that, all we need to do is right click on the assembly and choose Save and then Save As. Head into Advanced. Then choose the Aliases tab and then click the plus. What we can do is we can introduce another name, and I'm going to set the width to 650 and I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to do the same again and do a 700. And then a 750, and then I'll finish on an 800. And select my icon, and when I hit OK, I'm going to replace the existing one because I've started off with an assembly from my catalogue. And then if I now go into Objects, we should see that I've got a different variation or an alias, which is a 650, a 700, a 750 and an 800. Now this does come with a slight limitation. If we want to be able to modify the assembly, we need to modify the original. There is a relationship between the aliases that we've saved into the catalogue and our original assembly. So if you do want to be able to modify, you'll just need to right click and choose Save and Save As, and then put a new name in there and just save it away as an individual item. This is a really great feature if you're looking to build up a catalogue really quickly and you do lots of different sizes of the same assembly. Hopefully you found this tech tip useful. Feel free to give us a like, share and subscribe. We're also on Facebook, that's facebook.com/thecabinetvisionguy, and Instagram too, that's instagram.com/thecabinetvisionguy. Cheers!